I saw you and Benny take Adelaide to the hot box in a cab.
It's only a couple of blocks.
The streets are covered with tourists, and I do not want you to molest. There's something you don't see every day.
If you've never joined me before, my name is Tamara, and I try to get out and do fun things that I think that you would enjoy. I am not affiliated or making money on any of this. I'm just doing it because I enjoy it, and I think you would too. So my friend and I, Renee, are on the museum crawl today, and we thought we would take you along. So I hope you enjoy this museum, which is the Museum of the City of New York.
It's a land from Staten Island. He plays guitar on the Staten Island ferry. He's got a dark mustache and a Latin flag. He will serenade you, but only for cash. It's a land from Staten Island. He's got a manner that's really very, very. He'll show his Latin scar, his Latin smile. But you gotta make it worth his while.
Blondie's from Queens.
Gets turned on by electricity.
This is New York City, man. People don't come here to sleep.
Anything up, Miss Boston?
I'm getting that old part out, baby.
Because most of them were Puerto Rican, and they were largely led by students who were at Columbia University and also people from the community. Here's one of them. There were many young immigrant girls and women who were employed in this particular factory.
Is down there.
I can't afford Tribeca.
I miss this place. The old neighborhood. Hasn't changed, huh?
No matter where you are, cross the bridge or don't cross the bridge, you'll always be from Queens.
Where do you live?
Staten Island.
Staten Island. I thought you said you lived in New York.
So as you can see, this place is phenomenal. There really is a little bit of everything about Manhattan. There's the 5 boroughs that make this area up, and you're going to learn what's the difference. And that's just one of the many things that you'll learn here. It's across the street from Central Park, so you kind of got a twofer there. And there are so many other museums on Museum Mile. You've got the Guggenheim, you've got the Met. See, they have a little area you can take a break and have a snack. You can sit down in a variety of places. So Thank you for joining me. Thumbs up if you liked it. Share it if you know somebody who is planning their own trip. I'm not finished with New York City yet, so stick around next week. I've got another treat in store. Take care. Bye-bye.
A state of emergency has been declared and the entire police force put on 24-hour duty.